Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering and Economy. I'm Dr. Nathan. Today we are going to summarize whatever we learned to make a decision on solar PV investment. So before going for the summary video, this is going to be a short video. So we just need to understand what are the assumption we made. So system size, what is the system size? 50 kilowatts solar PV system, and it is located in Perth, Australia, and the total investment cost is $50,000. And the peak sun hours we took 5.5 hours, and the export price, the tariff is 10 cents per kilowatt hour unit, and the total power losses we consider 25%, and the lifespan of the project we consider 25 years, and the annual degradation is 0.5%. So these are the things we took. These are the things assumption of uh, whatever current values. It may change in the future. So based on this, we did a series of videos. Please go and watch all videos to get a deep understanding about the investment decision. And today I'm going to summarize what are the result we got from all the videos. So this will be a very good videos, and each slides you can go back to the another video. I will put the link maybe in each slide so we can go back. Okay. So the output energy production point of view, per day we are getting 220. So per month we are getting 6,600, and per year we got this one. So there's a video to calculate how we calculate this value. You can go to my channel and you can see the video. And if you go to the total revenue without considering net present value of money, without considering any present value of money, we got the total revenue of 186,000. So we just adding all the year revenue, we got that. And if you go to the total revenue considering the present value of money, I mean time value of money, we call this as a time value of money because that's very important in especially in solar PV system, because we are our projects like 20 to 25 years. Usually all solar PV projects are more than 20 years. So I always say comparison to other businesses, like if you are grocery or supermarket, so those businesses are like 1 year period. I mean the 1 year, 2 years, or some different small businesses there. In comparison to other businesses, solar PV investment decision little difficult because it's a long time project. Okay, so next slides. The net present value we got 78,000. This is a very good. Why we got net present value? Because if NPV greater than 0, take the project. That is our theory. Take the project. If it is less than 0, reject the project. So this NPV is definitely more than 0. So first initial decision is go for the project. I mean, take the project mean we still have to analyze other things, but first signal is positive. Okay, go to the next slide. So next slide we learned about the payback period. The reason we are concerned about the payback period because only after the payback period we start to get the profit. Until the payback period we don't get the profit. There's another video how we get a payback period, because that's a very important video. It's very useful for you to understand why this payback period is very important. Every solar companies tell about payback period, they don't tell about profit. In solar business, we don't talk about profit, we talk about payback period, internal rate of return, different things. Okay, so this is without considering the time value of money. You got 6 years 20 days. With considering time value of money, 7 years 20 days. So this is 7 years because time value of money is important. I recommend this is 7 years. You always do with the discounted payback period. This is a important thing. Okay, next slide. So then we calculate the rate of return. So rate of return is very good rate of return, but this rate of return for 25 years. If you wait 25 years, and if your panel successfully run for 25 years, you got 273% of rate of return. That's a very good return. Then there's a video for the rate of return. You can go and watch that video. Then we learned about return on investment. Sorry, sorry. Then we learned about the internal rate of return. So this is internal rate of return. So internal rate of return, we got 14.9%. So this is also very good value. What this value tells me, annually you get a return of 14.9% the return. So this investment you can compare with any other business, as we always compare with a bank fixed interest rate or some other businesses. Is it more than 14.9 percentage? If yes, then we have to go with the bank investment rather than the solar PV investment. That is the idea why we are doing the analysis. But 14.9, around 15% is a very good return. So annually you will get a 50%. So that's good, very good value. So we can, again, is a green signal. So whatever we got, all three, NPV is a green signal, and the return on investment is a green signal. Now the internal rate of return also green signal, and the payback period is up to you. Like 7 years is, you are happy with the 7 years, then okay, 7 years you have to keep the panel running to get the payback period. Then that's a slide, so I missed the previous slides. Okay, then here we come to the conclusion, and there are four questions. Simply we can say, to summarize the entire stuff, four questions. One is that first question asking for any project in solar PV. First question, is it the NPV is positive? Yeah. Is it NPV is positive? Yes, it is positive. We got, it's well more than positive. I mean, it's definitely positive. So it means 78,000 is a big value. It's definitely positive. So yes, first yes is a green signal. Okay. Second question, is it payback period? What is the payback period? 7 years. So it's still in the range. We are normally 5 to 7 years. Every solar companies are saying 5 to 7 years is a payback period. So we got 7 years. It's fine. The third one, rate of return. Rate of return. Rate of return. So rate of return. Rate of return is 273%. So that is a good value. So that's also fine. Then the internal rate of return, that is 14.9%. So that is annually you are going to get the 14.9% of internal rate of return. So that is the analysis. So this is also yes. So the return on investment, sorry, I think it's the word, I missed this word, return on investment. Return on investment. Return on investment. Okay, so this is yes, 273% is very good, and 14.8% IRR also yes. So all the answers are yes. So you can go for solar PV investment. So that's a summary of today class, and from next week onwards we will move on to the technical uh, things. Actually, this is also technical. This is a financial technology. We call, because people think technical mean the financial things are not technical, but financial things also technical. Whatever we learned is a financial technology. Technology related to the finance. But now we move to the electrical technology related to the solar PV. So what is a parallel series, a combination, different things. We'll study that in the next lectures. Thank you very much for listening. Please subscribe my channel and give your support so that I can produce more such videos. Thank you. Bye for now.